What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, we're gonna go ahead and just introduce you guys to all the clubs of the Syndicate family. Let's go ahead and get into it, and I'll show you who each one of us is and what we do. You guys already know me, Jesse. I'm the vice president, so let's go ahead and introduce this guy.
Yeah, Nate. We're on all of the videos, vice president. You know, Chris, president of Syndicate Yotas. All family, all part of the Syndicate Offroad little branch.
We're the smallest branch, but
we're the baby branch, but we're growing. So if you guys are interested, make sure to hit us up on Instagram and just get in our DMs and let us know if you want to be a part of it.
What's going on, guys? We're Syndicate Offroad. We're the founders. We're also missing one more. Like you said, we have our Yota clubs. We have our Syndicate Jeep Club. They're also part of our family.
Yeah, so my name's Danny, Raphael, Christian, and then Sergio is over there on the grill.
Burgers, baby.
Yeah, this is just kind of like an introduction, talking about who we are. We're an off-road company that's brand new. We started up last year, and we just kind of trying to create a big umbrella for ourselves. So we have the business itself, and then we have the Syndicate Jeep Club here, and then our newest branch is the Syndicate Yotas. So just kind of like a basic introduction, and then slowly just trying to grow and build this brand up.
Hey everyone, we're from Syndicate Jeep Club. I'm Allison, and I'm the president and the social media manager. This is Zach, he is the other president, and he is the trail manager. This is Alan, and he is our vice president. If you're looking to join a Jeep club, we offer events for all sorts of Jeeps, from basic to extreme and everything in between. We hope to see you out there. And if you're interested in joining, send us a message on Instagram.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Nate here with Jesse, here at the Syndicate Offroad meet. Got all these Syndicate Yotas here. We got the Syndicate Jeep Club. It's still pretty early in the day, so
but it's packing.
Yeah, exactly, exactly.
Hopefully I get to meet some of you guys. I mean, I don't know until I actually post the video, but hopefully I meet some of you guys in person as well. Should be a fun day. Let's go ahead and have fun. Alright, you guys, so I'm right here at the Syndicate meet. I did meet two awesome guys. I'm going to let them introduce themselves, and I'm just going to let them speak a little bit about what they do. So let's go ahead and do that.
Hey, I'm Cody with the Trail Chasers Podcast.
And I'm Matt with the Trail Chasers Podcast.
You can find us at trailchasers.net. We talk every week to people in the off-road overland community. It's a place for people to come and tell their story. If you've got a story, we want to hear it. Check us out at trailchasers.net.
Who came to the event adequately dressed here? You know, this is let's show off our stuff. You've put this thing to the test. You got the rock sliders. That's killer, man. That's really nice.
You can see where I need to fix a lot of stuff.
Me and you would get along fine.
I have more repairs to do than installs.
Well, then that means, you know, you just it's just more parts to buy. You know, that's all. You got to
break, fix, repeat. Break, fix, repeat. That's the plan.
Circle of life, right there.
Got anything to say?
Thank you guys for coming out. The support.
You got it.
We're from Syndicate Jeep Club. My name is Allison. I'm one of the presidents. I'm the social media manager. This is Zach. He is the other president, and he is part of... Hold on. That was really awkward. I got how awkward because everyone's staring.
That's going to stay in the bloopers.
Nobody's looking. Okay, I got this.
Ask me about my winner.
right, we're good.